Hello friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to use lemon peel. Lemon peel has a lot of health benefits such as it supports oral health, high in nutritional value, high in antioxidant, antifungal property, boosts your immunity system and promotes heart health. This hack is very useful when you have a lot of lemon peel at home. Very easy method, so let's get started. Today I have bought a plate full of lemon peel. I have already used the lemon juice. Transfer the lemon peel to a wide tray like this. Make sure you have enough spacing in between and also make sure the lemon peels don't touch each other. Now it's all well placed. Sun dry for at least a week until they are completely dry. It's been a week now and it's all completely dry and ready. You can see it's very fragile now. Now transfer the dry lemon peel to a mixer jar and blend it well. Now we have the dry lemon powder ready. Store it in your refrigerator and it will stay fresh for 6 months. You can use this dry lemon powder for seasoning in your cooking. You can also use this powder for your hair before bath. Mix it well with your hair oil and apply well and allow it to rest for 10 minutes and then wash it. This stimulates your hair growth. Likewise, you can also use this for your face as a face pack. Mix it with rose water and apply it in your face and allow it to rest for 10 minutes and then wash it. This keeps your face fresh always. Very easy and a quick hack, so do try this lemon peel hack at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Hope you like this video, so please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.